Hello, my name is Patrick and today we're going to be speaking about the ACO203XL RapidPress pressing tool. This is a Bluetooth model which allows you to connect your smartphone to this device to see any pressing data, pressing history or any other servicing requirements. This tool here will press from 15mm up to 108mm. It standardly runs a M-series slimline Milwaukee battery. The kit comes standard with a 2Ah battery. Unique features of this tool are a slimline handpiece, which is easy to navigate into difficult, complex installations. The XL also comes with a rotatable head and also has an optional backstroke limitation of 40mm to make presses from 15mm up to 54mm quicker and easier. This tool also comes with a unique case which holds all the heads from 15mm up to 54mm, with an additional case for the larger heads. The total weight of this case is just 23 kilos, and the additional case for the larger heads weighing in at just 22 kilo. 15, 22, 28 and 35mm jaws are just a single piece jaw that connects to the tool. For 42mm and 54mm, these use pressing chains. They have a unique spring-loaded mechanism which makes it very easy for complex installations. Pressing chains from 76mm up to 108mm do not have this feature. All of the pressing chains go hand in hand with the adapter, which connects to the pressing tool and then clips onto the chain. Adapter jaws from 76mm up to 108mm feature a removable handle, which simply screws into the side. This makes using larger sizes much easier. For the 108 pressing chain, 2 pressing cycles are required. First, an initial press with the first stage adapter jaw, then a secondary press with a second stage adapter jaw. The metal company stocks a full range of RapidPress press fit tools and heads for hire or purchase. Our RapidPress system can make pipework installation quick and easy, while making work in confined spaces easier and reducing the need for hot work permits. Talk to the crew at the metal company today about how our RapidPress system could help you decrease install time and increase customer satisfaction.